Hey there, and welcome back to our channel where we provide you with tips and tricks to enhance your online experience. Today we are going to be discussing how to fix your mic on Discord. Having a good quality mic is essential for clear communication during voice chats and meetings. Discord is an excellent platform for gamers and business professionals alike, but if your mic is not working correctly, it can be frustrating. Don't worry though, we have got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is to check when your mic is not working on Discord is the input device. Ensure that the correct input device is selected in the Discord setting. To do this, click on this gear options here and just click on this voice and video, and here you can see the input device. So you have to select the mm, correct microphone that is connected with your PC. So for my case I have just one, which is this one, so it doesn't matter if I set it to default or microphone like this. Okay, so in case if you have like multiple microphones here, you have to select the right one. And the second fix that you can do, you can actually increase or decrease the microphone levels like this one. Okay, you have to increase or decrease the levels like this one, because sometimes maybe your input volume is on 0 or very low, so you have to adjust this uh, according to your needs. And the next step that you can basically check is you have to like restart the Discord, because by restarting Discord, many problems can be fixed. Okay, so you have to close it like this, then close it like this, and also from this tray, and just open up the Discord application again here. And another potential fix is to check your operating system's audio settings. Make sure that your mic is selected as the default recording device in your audio settings. So on Windows, just right click on this speaker here and click on sounds, go to the recording tab, and make sure that the microphone that you are using here, it's set to default device. Okay, so if all fails, you can just try resetting your voice settings on this Discord. Okay, so you will again click on the settings, go to the voice and video, and if you scroll all the way down here, you can see this option where it says reset voice settings. So uh, this will actually reset all of your voice settings to their default values. You will need to basically reconfigure your settings after doing this, but it can help solve any issues you may be having with your mic. So there you have it, folks, some easy steps to help you fix your mic on Discord. And let us know in the comments if you have any other tips to fixing mic issues on Discord. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.